Want to make an extra $1,000 a month in passive income? Realty Income is one of the most reliable monthly dividend stocks out there. But how much do you actually need to invest to hit that goal? Stick around because I'm breaking down the exact numbers and showing you how much to invest to generate that consistent monthly income. I'll be showing you the lump sum amount, and then I'll be showing you two different scenarios where, with a little bit of time on your side, you can reach the same goal of $12,000 a year or $1,000 a month with a lot less money than the lump sum, of course. Plus, did you know that Realty Income has increased its dividend for 29 consecutive years? That kind of reliability makes it a top choice for building steady passive income. So let's get into the video. Realty Income, ticker symbol O, has a dividend yield of about 5.65%, an annual dividend of around $3.22 per share, and as we can see here, they have been increasing their dividend about every 3 or 4 months. And right now its monthly dividend is about 27 cents per share. Now I'm going to be showing you the lump sum needed to invest right now into Realty Income, ticker symbol O, to reach $12,000 per year in annual dividends or $1,000 per month in dividend payouts. Now don't click off when you see this number because I'm going to be showing you two other ways where you can make the same amount of money per year, $1,000 per month, with a lot less money. So the lump sum you would need is 12,000 divided by the yield of 0.0565 is going to give us around $212,000. Now that's great if you have that amount of money to just drop into one stock at one time, but a lot of people don't have that type of money to put away just willy-nilly like that. So if we use a drip calculator and put in ticker symbol O, and let's say you have an initial $10,000 to invest, and you invest an extra $123 every month for 20 years, then you're going to end up reaching the same goal, $12,000 in annual dividends, or $1,000 every month. Now this is great, but what if you don't have $10,000 to invest right away? Well, I'll show you another option. If you invest $0 initially, but invest $204 every month for 20 years, you're still going to reach the same goal of $12,000 per annual dividends and $1,000 per month. So this is great, but how much money do these options take? Well, the first option where you invest a $10,000 initial investment and then you invest $123 every month for 20 years, you're only investing $39,520 to reach the same goal of $1,000 per month in dividend payouts. In the second option where you invest $0 initially, you're going to have 204 times 12 every month, 204 every month for 20 years is going to give you $48,960. A little bit more money, but if you don't have that initial investment, it's going to take a little bit more. But this is just a great way to look at things. If you have a little bit of time on your side, investing becomes a lot easier and you reach your goals not faster, but at a steady pace over time, you'll reach your investment goals. Now, just for fun, let's say you had an extra 10 years on top of that 20 years to invest your $10,000 initially and your $123 every month. Then in this option, you're going to have $54,000 in annual dividend payouts. And in the second option, where you invest $0 initially but $204 every month, then you're going to have $56,000 in annual payouts. So just for fun, it's nice to take a look and see how with just a little bit more time, things really start to take off and it really starts to snowball those dividend payments. And if you're reinvesting your dividends, it'll just snowball and snowball until you have a nice annual income of passive income from dividends. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. It keeps me motivated to keep making videos and it makes sure you won't miss out on any future investing content. So thank you very much for watching and I hope you all have a great day.